Hey tech enthusiasts, CES 2024 has come and gone, and amidst the sea of futuristic concepts and prototypes, we've uncovered 5 cutting-edge gadgets that you can actually get your hands on right now. From stylish wearables to mind-blowing displays, this list has it all. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in tech. Let's get started. The Clix Creator Keyboard Founders Edition. This Y2K-inspired backlit keyboard is a nod to the iconic Sidekicks and Blackberries of the early 2000s.
Is the new accessory that's bringing real buttons to the iPhone.
With its unibody case and support for standard shortcuts, this keyboard is Clix Technology's debut product.
Is a keyboard accessory, enclosed within a unibody silicone case. The connection to the iPhone is made through its Lightning or USB port, so there's no Bluetooth link to worry about, nor any onboard battery. To keep weight and thickness to a minimum, Clix is powered by your iPhone.
Available in Bumblebee and London Sky colors, it's a stylish addition for iPhone 14 Pro, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max users. In at number 4, we have a tech marvel that's taking the hassle out of nail care, Nimble.
What if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's Nimble.
Say goodbye to long hours at the salon with this 12-inch manicure robot. Utilizing scanning technology and AI, Nimble can beautifully paint your nails in about half an hour. With polish capsules in 30 colors and promises of new features like pedicures in the pipeline, Nimble is a game changer in the beauty tech space.
While a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Your nails come out completely dry, so there's no risk of smearing or smudging.
Next up, we have a display technology that's not just cool, but also practical. Displace Flex and Displace Mini. These lightweight wireless 4K displays come with battery-powered suction, allowing them to stick onto almost any surface. Perfect for those who want the flexibility of positioning without the hassle of mounting. Both the 55-inch Flex model and the 27-inch Mini variant are expected to ship out in late 2024. In at number 2, bringing a touch of the uncanny to our list, is the Wehead GPT Edition. This gadget puts a literal face on OpenAI's GPT language model.
Bro, my name is James. I'm your bro, remember? We used to hang out back in the day in Jersey. How could you forget your bro's name? It's all good though, bro.
No need to worry, darling. It's all peace and love in the cybernetic realm.
With 2 screens and a somewhat creepy, disembodied appearance, the Wehead offers practical advice while potentially giving you the chills. Priced at $5,000 or available for rent at $199 per month, it's a unique addition for those brave enough to embrace AI in a tangible form. Closing out our list is the fashion-forward smartwatch from Garmin the Lily 2. With a metal case, patterned lenses, and stylish screensavers, this smartwatch is a perfect blend of fashion and functionality. Featuring sleep monitoring, built-in sport apps, and a dance fitness activity tracker, the Lily 2 is as smart as it is chic. With various band options and Garmin Pay support in the Classic Edition, it's a must-have for the fashion-conscious tech user. And there you have it, our top 5 picks from CES 2024 that you can snag right now. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech wonders.